no bedu Frimpon Enterprise Ejumera Osibro nyen Omanaya odede Minia we enye akradio nanso no bibia obeto afri Frimpon Enterprise e free sabre e de kopim se bronya ne betwam no wo de achede sonko kra ne bekofie ani eno de achinie bi ani ho se achem dan ene ne mpotam ade wo pe supermall ani nioma bo e da fom de a eno ne Frimpon Enterprise inti se yam esitre milk detergents toiletries just provisions bia open no one sabeka na se wo ye engagement program bia wo ye no se wo hia ensa dokodoko de announce champagne communion wine ni nyina ye wholesale price so wo beto de of Frimpon Enterprise bampon nsem eye tight krolo sembi ani ho Frimpon Enterprise ejumera no money na chi anya jwakwan wo achimodan or Mandarina Hotel on the Achimdan Station entrance no and ye ni hwe Samson and the drink depot no ewo Mandarina any PPP office abansoro no entemu pe oni ejumera enkasa wa homa iso 0244-897-525 0242-111-236 Frimpon Enterprise ana still ejumera with deeper panache Jesus Nurbano Gamro, Ghana Music Rights Organization. Aye Trinity Akana Gamro. Omemo edwumura nom enkabomuko. Ena de nchia e magana fo nyina. Enkreku mabi ene de ma de hye. Gamro amano homene so sekwan bia so ode dwompa ene ho hyepa ebesom oman Ghana. Nanso empanimfo se bakofo nkyere damfo nti. Ohia Ghana fo nyina emoa. Efiri enne ede ekoyi. Obi bia wode dwom edidwuma. Say ye hotel, restaurant, night club, drinking bar ana sports, banks, mo promote live music, ana we spinning, ana concert bi, dwumadie bia wode obi dwum na edie no. Omeyimra, Metra Copyright Act 690 2005 ene airline no e kire se e wo so kwaji hu tumi efri Gamro fo nchen. E basa bi kakra bi na wo so utua. No nya ho kwan e de dwum no edidwuma. Wo hwe section 36 ene 37 e wo copyright airline mu a obi bia wode dwum ebedi dwuma wanyi Gamro asutire ana wantua e ho sika wo so utua no. Nipa no afomra na Gamro sesei wo swaiko e wo nipa wode dwum edi dwuma wontua kapreba wo ho enye kikikikiki nemom sebeye na nipa wo swai dwum no ebo ho ka ebetimi anya so mfaso ntia enkratasem ene akwanya efa enwom a wodi bedi dwuma no ho nsensem no enye den kra hwehwe Gamro for office
e wo koforidua ye benga painting hall anafre 0244 400 477 ana 0547 536 327
Gamro Yama nyuma ayedwuma Gamro yama dwomtofo edi won fifire so mfaso
Mira matresi wuto free he
come on
wabi na da me hwehwe no na ba ko na me daso ne de eye bomba
wait me the free winners latest form for enchain so per mattress ya come e wo kroimu a winners latest form so per king size queen size and the mattress ya can win na ya tombi na me do enye we kwa me ni pache keke afi me carpenter juma me baba ye pa esanse e ba ne carpenter ho materials ya hodo a wo moton say 5 inches 4 inches 2 inches 1.5 and 1 inches ni na no omoton and stuffing chairs na me ye se si ade omode ho materials ni na it is a me stuffing chairs na we the siwa asa ye different brochre na aba ni na every winners latest form for enche
afa what do you want papa afa me koda feel
amafo eye winners latest form and a form papa pa no ewo so pe bi atwa ye wa kemoda ye ne bosome rural bank and the dish ye be liberty station ne pe wo betimi afrɛ 0546 305173 winners latest form ye dikai
The Mid-Morning Show. The Mid-Morning Show. Have a blessed day. The Mid-Morning Show. The Mid-Morning Show. Have a blessed day.
I say
Oh, mina me di wasidako matunjo na mabo sambrani wanye wadom oh wanye wadom tina mina me di wasidako matunjo na mabo sambrani. Rather bushing I will be a jail. I will be a quaba at the Ahenkan 93.3 FM. So, baby, I will be a no, me patch of me the points I will hear. And they are Juada, 12th day of the month, December 2022, and it is exactly 31 minutes after 10. Yatanasi, you have a summer from now to 12 p.m. Maybe I will be an ABO, and more call back a siapa at the Ahenkan 93.3 FM. And I'll pay the more watching. You did pass over here. Right, so your friend Jenny me champion boating cast more so bet me a friend me Kobena Costi, bet me a friend my brand part the perfect gentleman. Me pa join fast like a see point and command ya boafo and I say me producers Yakopon dom obi an ho ye obi atinko Emmanuel Jumo DJ Shabo and command Mr. Charles Nana to pan hand the first. Kobe K is under the weather. It's speedy recovery and command DJ Kobe K. Join the show live on Facebook. Ahenkan 93.3 FM. Ewo Facebook. Na Javi messaging so ewo WhatsApp 0594841044. Your WhatsApp and our friends normal SMS test. Send the bra making kind amount 0594841044. Not making kind of amount. I be our special account whatever you want to tell a friend this morning on my show. Just send them through. And I promise you making kind of amount. Number be 0594841044. But on the show no ewo Facebook Ahenkan page and so Ahenkan 93.3 FM and I said Kobena Costi ewo Facebook as well. Now making kind of man here on 93.3 FM and I enjoy that my mouth food for thought and I enjoy that. And I know me no be teachings kakra and me no be teachings kakra ewo food for thought. Me say speak to God like he's here with you. This is a topic so now know what they teachings. We say speak to God like he is here with you. Stay tuned. Men come be a catch you be a say. And Kobena see be teachings. It will food for thought. So I mean here as usual, my people. Right, I'm a friend here can see upon and one comma Brad Devi, who a taxi driver, and comma a Pasco, and comma Raouf, MP3, Staga, Obama, Ricardo, Tanko, Oba Tampa Jonathan, and comma Amos, and Alfay Tilapia, Bonash, and comma Brakwame, Okasi, and comma Piero Meton catch your papa. Hey. Piero Meton Cancha Bruta, Baruso Boy, and Opemi Chamina, Alfred Mr. Oben, Mr. Chumesi, KNL Fashion, Salum the Gambia, Bereman Quimo, Watchama Sene, and Sanifuna Nimbakupe, and Opemi Jamo, and Alfred Micha, a year. Mahana, Ghost Time is the best fashion or SDA Junction, Bra Michael or SDA Junction, exclusive
Beauty Saloon wo SD Junction, Asada Beauty Saloon, Parties Golden Scissors mo Amantra, Genesi Fashion mo won Kwantenu, Jaji o Akameni Junction, Jam Transport, Akameni Junction, Charities Fashion, Akameni Junction, afwe in Chagasia so Enkoma Quality Fashion, Old Education, and at the Do Fashion so runabout. Pressure for Confesto. I don't pay me church amina. Somebody mo fidia to 93.3 FM.
The mid-morning show. Have a blessed day.
More.
right, so exactly 40 after 10. Wasigusa with 93.3 of Juma Busha from Coming Acosti. Again, I'm finding Jackasians when Ghana Commercial Bank. Staff singing no pay me church Bibia. Edna, the patch of what to say. Bibia Bokode. Afuyanko Ghana, sorry, other government hospital. Naija, Madam Pat, Madam Vera, Madam Maggie. And an anajua, no pay in more government hospital. Bichiamon, Nakopon Aya de Monswa, Afia Ecosim 2023 program Cassia Bipan Bebaso, the first day of the year. Program Cassia Bebaso, Samiki C Ministries. Samiki C Ministries. With my Thanksgiving experience, Nakoponyadoma, first day in 2023. I mean, 1st January 2023, and the second edition of Airbaso ever happened. It was CAC Akemodan Newtown. I award Jamaica. It is the Lord Honor. And you 5 p.m. Nebashas here. Timono Edasono, behold, I say, I will do a new thing. Isaiah 43, verse 19. Now, a lot of ministers and about Saturday, Minister Ajin Kwan, Hima Esther, Minister Trixie Domina, Shaba Prince, and Minister Bismarck, and a guest artist, Jack Alolumi. For any enquiries and information, be a chimney and offer 0205 045 567 0240 7773 15. Samiki C Ministries, my Thanksgiving experience. Right after Siam Children's Academy. Siam Children's Academy. Nakoponyadoma amu 25th anniversary. Ebaso amu Silver Jubilee no. Ebaso Nakoponyadoma ya shasi and they and they are share a 25th anniversary and graduation, and then Yashas here. And then you clean up exercise. I watch him ascending and Tinko Kronima. Zampa, Siam Children's Academy, School Kualani, Church for any Peniphonia Huduina. At your Mugum, I watch him ascending and I clean up exercise. You got this move your proper baby. Yes, yes, I feel you make sure say the Chronobet, Chronomedini, Abibia Cosuya, Opoyadamo, Chinano, there be indoor games and no make hobby. Indoor games, there be a ludu, the ball or warren, dummy, red lime and spoon, and now for eating competition, a very necessary. It's not say Ochina because the best me crowd dance pepe to Ochina and a bone in the panko. I put this on the Wednesday, no 4th December, a very inter-houses competition among our students, and the channel so we quarter no inter-houses, and to house we will be not represented. We are past students of Siam Children's Academy in Kwandia. Go and represent your house. And on Thursday, 15th December, you'll be floating. The baby, you'll be float kasi ban. You chimo made the first street. You bonyo me diasa na wonichi. And talumuni adi adi so. For the Friday though, na you be shime waye achim aseni their backgrounds. Oho, anything yankopon ase. Yeah, in fact, you're proper jumedi ne chikra. No anapa 9 a.m. and you be shasi. Shannon so said Siam Children's Academy over 25 years. You know, producing a lot of big people. Achim asene in important prominent people and our school and our faith or be any particular for Shannon so Siam Amugusu amu training kofuanisa. The cock Nakobwana Bibi and Kosu Yepa. Halfway Ahenkan FM Christmas football competition. No me patch of forms and still are available. You of ya and to some way Jumeko corporate institutions. Na more team Kwandia. Come on, move to me aba. Number pick forms. A free. A patch of forms in the Engiska. Forms in the Jessica a free and to brefi ha never pick your forms no na deadline on a 21st December and a deadline and our first 24th na program on ever cost ever boabo saka park na ni 26th December no Boxing Day Ahenkan FM adia ye be in fact ye be chenko for no bebre Yebema Bronya Yawde, the Shannon song, Sir Bronya Bayo, the Ahenkan FM, to sponsor this event. The patch over 0244 290093 na 0554171 na Bibi Antimi is successful. Right, so 93.3 of Abusia. Yentin see now for Yanko. Your food for thought or so, and I'll pay. Alright, so this morning, Yanko your food for thought today, so. And we do sound pay be Color Studios and Digital Embroidery at Daroma, and I your food for thought at the bro. Right, so Color Studios and Digital Embroidery were chim other Liberty Transport opposite Kenno Pharmacy. Me pacho ano pay was brana minjuma me boboswa hudu ebia se woni jihwa na chess kaka krebi na yanyama. Me pacho ebia wa yofro air baso engagement air baso ope picture framing na dey see with them ope se dey kese pa na fresh with them there eno ane Color Studios and Digital Embroidery ano pay bo remu honom na fe yembo a ope moye church Lacoste, school Lacoste, face taro embroidery, cap embroidery, police uniform embroidery na ye be our Color Studios and Digital Embroidery. Friend 0245276638 0245276638. Your Liberty Transport opposite Kenop Pharmacy na be now after yentin now, yentin see na mefa your food for thoughts number one pay. Na anope me see ye be your teachings, ye be siam bi kakra. Enti mesere se wo betwe waso aben me kakra na afei wetie nkomo na ye be di no. Fa se ye dru asori dem, ye nyan share praise and worship asekra. Ye di kan aye nchreche ansa ya hye bibi ase. Now anope I want to talk to you on this topic. Speak to God like he is here with you. Speak to God like he is here with you. Meaning say nipa bebe ka say backup na God is already here with us. Yes, I know. Meaning pan say Yankopon honhom no e kan ho e wasase so. But listen, this is what I want to tell you about. They say speak to God like he is here with you. Now we have so many ways to communicate with God. Ekwan bebre so ene yefa ene Nyankopon edin kita ho. Ekwan bebre so ne yefa ene Nyankopon ekasa. This morning me say speak to God like he is here with you. Ene Nyankopon din komo te senia ote wo nchen, senia ote wo fie, senia ote wo adwuma mu, senia car na wo drive kwa adwuma no. Nipa na wa occupy front seat na Nyankopon. Ya wo kwan bebre so yefa ne Nyankopon din komo. It can be through prayer, meditating. Even sometimes, it can be through journaling. Sana bebrina bompaye. See, so it is written in the Bible in 1 John chapter 5 verse 14. The Bible says, this is the confidence we have in approaching God, that if we ask anything according to his will, he hears us. Now say a bompaye nase yes, your bompire will give you a yankopon or tea and listen. Oh, I dare come pastor was shedding so to say, whatever you ask from God, whatever you seek from God, whatever a dear biara ubusa yankopon biara no Bible say otie na oye edemao. Now I want you to speak to God. Listen very carefully. I want you to speak to God this morning like he is here with you. Now, what do I mean by he is here with you? Sometimes praying loud in tongues doesn't mean your prayer must be heard or answered. Sometimes empire bebrebe bono say you can't your bompire no kasa hodo mu your bompire in tongues and on kyerɛ sɛ ɛwɔ sɛ Nyankopɔn etie empire no na instantly na or answer empire no. Entina medi kan say ye wo kwan bebree ye faso e de bompaye ye wo kwan bebree ye faso ene Nyankopon enya nkitahodie ye wo kwan bebree faso ye ne Nyankopon ekasa. So many ways to speak to God. Now I am encouraging you to speak to him like he is here with you. What them say uncle for people only recite the Lord's Prayer and things are happening in their lives. Obi hana hon bompaye bebreo. Obi hana hon encantons bebreo. Obi hana hon meditate on so many things with God. But then the otimi yani our Father who art in heaven, hallowed be thy name. Obin paya osore no power bonyineni. Obin kita hudi on Nyankopon di nyineni. But trust me, I can tell you for a fact to say with this prayer enoma kese esisima sani panon. Have you asked yourself say adenti na wo bom paya bebre, but it seems the awotia na otia but someone only recite the Lord's Prayer but enoma kese e kosomano. Have you asked yourself this question? Now let me answer you. And your man calls you sir because you are not speaking to God like he is here with you. But see, you are not speaking to God like he is here with you. So some time back, let me share with you a story. So me, I come from a Christian home. And this is a house. Umpo. How much only devotion ever cost? Opa okoda for safari see with energy. My uncle will still find a way and open the door. He will fish you out of your room. Say, come and pray. Come and worship God. One day, I discovered something. One day, me discover, baby. See, sometimes you need to create a space dedicated to having quiet time with God. Sometimes, just do this. I've done it. And I work here, mommy. So let me tell you what I was saying. But just sometimes, create a space dedicated to having a quiet time with God only. This is a way of talking to God like he is here with you. But see, I've done it, memaye. And it is no secret. Because I know said nipa bebre me, I was taught by my uncle. And someone also shared his testimony. And I was like, oh, okay. So let me give myself a try. Let me try this. So I think about, if I'm not mistaken, 8 or 7 years ago. And I'm started sad, San Kofocas depression at chain, etimin bonfire. See, said depression at chill now to bonfire. My mamma, dear, we not try na shadi. I want you to speak to God like He is here with you. Mama can't go tree when I say, because I want you to speak to God like He is here with you. Sometimes I want you to sit and invite God as your classmates. Tell Him, say, Rade, this is what I am doing. I am sick and tired of all these tongues. I am sick and tired of waking up at dawn and shouting without any answer. This is what I want you to do for me. Rod, this is the seat I have reserved for you. You see me, I've done it. She, I thought that on. See, baby, ding. I thought that free. Ko baby, oh, very quiet. Baby, I over to me, Yakupon, it didn't come away. Nyabutrena prapra ho nyina nyabutrena ma oho endini na fe transe what transe we are. I mean, if I send you oho air quiet fa no and for what dream and see bia so focus on the reason why you went into that bush. Focus on the reason why you want to speak to God like He is here with you. Now this is what I am telling you this morning. Sa obomodi ewra oho no ma, this is what I want you to do. Transe, invite the Spirit of the God. In fact, invite the Spirit of God, invite the Spirit of the Holy Spirit. Nyankopon say tie ena anapaya me pie hei ana ena wie ya me pie hei ena anaju a me pie hei say na me pese wo ye mame obi ka kire me say toda home ena Nyankopon kasa say wo classmates am chad up eti mano be fom sa etoda ene Nyankopon kasa se wo classmate tio enye bufuo so enye enian so kwan so but ogbona ni die kwan so ene Nyankopon kasa se wo classmate pe akonya ma no find a space for him transi kacha se akonya me pesa wo transo ni enne me ne wo wonkomo enye da bia na ebo yensem bompa o etoda ene nen din komo teniye pa enye de bia na ye boyensem bompae enye de bia na sori ahomache bompae enye de bia ene ye chikom ye chi ye fu kom bompae etoda ene ni din komo sa wo classmates mumie no nko a obi anka ho enye bebi obi be distracted enye bebi woni abra wo kansem na akokọ bi ye kokroko enye bebi woni abra wo nyame din komo na ponchi bi su me te wo ho ko bebi a wo nti dede tra ho din prepare akunya so we are soon ni pa if you are a spiritual person you understand what I'm trying to tell you so wo waje wakonya wie no enya mpaye na wokobo oni ni kodin komo etinam say sometimes you need to speak to God like He is here with you eni ni din komo eti enya mpaye bi na wokotiatie mabo wokọ atranase eye form na obetranase kacha ne say enna woni ni betran asase so woni ni transform ha sa wonye bi da fagidie ye bi na hwade me say tranase kacha ne say ende aha me wo enya me nko na me wo ha me nde wo mienu nko na ye wo ha ye bedi nkomo say obi ni na chiriba ye bedi nkomo so obi ni classmates ye bedi nkomo say obi ni na danfo obu akwan so ende nkoma me ni wo bedi no na fa fiase ye fa wo nsem to nanim na fa fiase in fact ona wo ho di nkomo and believe say wo ni Nyankopon na di nkomo try na hwe say nya adwuma me say try na hwe say enya adwuma me have done it and I've heard people sharing testimony almost a kwan amofa so ye ni say me nya bi da ena me nya result enka men tena ha no men kan kiro minim nipa etie kasafidie minim se nya nkwala na etie kasafidie eye wo mo asabi wo mo trim abobe na etie kasafidie so I am speaking to a spiritual inclined person. I am sorry, so when you're a spiritual person, you won't understand what I am saying. But then if you are, if you are obatin common media na say enye da bia na boy nsem bompae. Speak to God like he is here with you. And then in ding komo erade makunya ni matranse wo so de ni betranso. And then come me no ubedi ni. Eye juma nkomo na me no ubedi. Eye ware nkomo na me no ubedi. Eye me mabra bon nkomo na me no ubedi. Eye me sika sama ya basa nkomo na me no ubedi. Ma ware achia nkomo na me no ubedi. Me vesa ho nkomo na me no ubedi. Me ku abra bon nkomo na me no ubedi. Yefu amitimi fan wo bai ehun komo na me ne ubedi. Sambre ne nyamra wo be nsema bompaye. Sambre ne nyamra wo be kase tumi biare di wo chifiti wo mafrase wo twemu. Sambre ne nyamra wo be kase hunhun biara achichi wo foni ahye bebi wo twemu. Sambre ne nyamra wo be kase amanie biara spiritual altar biare di wo abrabochi you are breaking. No. Sambre ne nyamra wo ne nyakopon kwa na bompu ni mpu edi nkomo. Speak to God like he is really here with you. All right, so 93.3 of Mami Fancy na me rahu too much. Nti Mami Fancy na yanko break embra yanko pe anni bina yanom sabo sensu komodo. Yes, nti yampa so ni bina yanom na yambra sisia.
Kwekwe bra be hwe ene party am call no abrochen so ne e dey serve me o dey hwe ne bottle ni kra me. Hey uja wait anna chome no water na wo tene nka anna chome no water Ghana ha ya ne ye no na odan say so pamu depo na e wo Ghana commercial bank car park ho no mo a ene di hwe ne mu pe e wa bonsa foforo no eno nti so pan dodo Saudi ye wo de wedding abedin tour party say wo no mo fie anadwuma die bia me patch free 0249 680 and 0500231091
inso na den and package inso FSA
and natural mineral water natural FDA ajatum say eye
When we send your police in your draw, Imbusaba Mesa Amama Huaden.
Refuse to grow. Any offense will be
and what day immune system or Yankopon, and you're ready for Yamusa Maya Hubano, and Nasa Wunum Imbusaba Mesa, a page immune system Nabribia. Ya Yarientimu. Sasa dear, a month for the one, Eddie Imbusaba Mesa, don't want dance yes, and Yarwa who ran Nipa and Yina Etimi Banaso, and in Yarwa Cassian Kaya Wutini D and a honka. No, Yamwa suing in no, a boy who buying every home. And now one pa, one dada, no monum doctor and Rono, and num Imbusaba Mesanoa, and more who are deep in tea. Ya woman timpose, Yaria Esomo. Imbusaba Mesa, a walk Kanshi, and you may move Bia Yato in row, at to 0246 208496. Imbusaba Mesa, police in no Edrono, and Kratway FDA. Asayasiye.
Mido, asa na di fia e hwampao.
Ha, eye ban 20 enama efia ehwehwe hwamsano.
Eno so ye supira na.
Eye JA Binding and Co Limited. Ene wo mo de sa nyoma we nyina badwa so. Enye no nkwampo na wo ho medu so to ho no mo no. Enyoma ni se bebre.
Nyoma bi te se dan na wo ho.
Panzo ne nanse nkwada nyoma ni ate se wan. Eye parazo enu na me de sie.
Mido, me fan fitira opoto bi de ni nyina afiro. Na ade ba ade na ahura poto bi de isi.
Eye akasha no a na me de atu apopo bibre nyina se no bia. Papa pata asusu nyina so ate se wan no.
Nansen awowo ni nyina mpayila. Hu awowo bia wo fie ha bi.
Medeta wo. Eye JA Binding Snake Reparent na me de atu o masesa no.
Enu omo wo niema papa.
Ban liquid soap na se wodidi wi amedema wa horo won sai uhu ana. Ai enu anso na me de wo horo nchaase mu nyina da.
Ene we die me di adanse a kira mansan. Fa no mo wo.
JA Binding wo mo nioma no. Wo benya bi ato wa kuma se takra de tamale ho sunya ne nkokọ wabuase bonga odan Ghana Commercial Bank enedi enemuhye se wo pani do so po matu a wo benya bi ewo Kasua Winneba Road ho ankasa na factory no esie
ma me number no na mfa nkoma ko nyima no no nso from
0242 771 650 no ana 0247576643.
Me dofo now so mudi ni body say.
Eye JA Binding and Call Limited.
Ja me drew ho sesia.
Hele banjo. Why go?
Masa, St. Andrews asembubu wayek machine biomo. Afie we die eye buta
7 A's, 6 A's, and 5 A's no abruso.
enti say wo beto forms e wo St. Andrews SHS a the results ni bi na hwansa
Afiwe, ye the 999 candidates and a quatrain, emu 997 and a qualifier for Felipoto.
e mane hawo kra
For any tremo St. Andrews SHS, say St. Andrews, Ebi Aquenya, Amo form 3.
enti ma wonye ha na be fa forms na tre wasi May June exams ni bi afie ebe
Enti masa Aquenya we mpa ho, fisa me hu yanka na ka echi.
enti fresisi a na je wo SHS 3 admission forms
0244 696911 and 0207 891004. St. Andrews SHS.
we are always
In the lead.
Ahenkan 93.3 FM. Me say, ya dikai. Qatar 2022 World Cup Empire Negra, your best radio station in the East. Ahenkan 93.3 FM. Ya the commentary emudawo yo po abramo. Tie fiti anopa kopum anumre yampon. The better form wa katabia. Ubati wasum our Ahenkan 93.3 FM. Yes, we have paraded the best commentators of your time. Tie wa brimpon wa pokuare. Wabegum say yopo Kofi Ajiri aka AJ and your sports headmaster Joshua Ajanim. I am going to be part of the commentators. Wadi Ahenkan Kwame Yabua 4 sets. Yabegum say yopo and you pass all boy get on one day. Our World Cup season Ahenkan 93.3 FM. Me say from Kenke to Kankai Qatar 2022. Ahenkan from commentary, ya beji bebia bajawa.
Ejamomien kana winners a make a difference, Papa.
Now they are friend wo.
There be winners there. See any momo dada. Nemum se there one more to munchine kra. Oba ojo form 3 straight. Form 1 ne form 2 nyina so akwanya edaho. Facilities Papa B. Biology lab, chemistry lab, physics, ICT, home economics, ICT no. Eye compulsory.
So person ultra was May June and none of that. The right place. Eye winners senior high school.
Wayek amomo exam center number. And when you omo transfer ni was suku muhwa a teacher for a kuku damankasa and a extra wadie and winti ubetwa no one time courses are why no ebi any general arts, pure science, business, home economics and afi agric science.
Winners senior high school ego admission so say ma wonya ha never admission ema oban
basic financial or winners divine academia waje nkwala every nursery ekosi JHS3 or boarding edema nkwala mu nyina ubehunu winners school complex Ewon Koko Sidom restaurants ne opposites Paso Nakosi school mu ho Frepani kwanche for the school no ano Ewo 0244 571927 and afi 0208 193788 Winners School Complex raising the standard of excellence.
3077 0541 883077.
The Mid-Morning Show. The Mid-Morning Show. Have a blessed day. The Mid-Morning Show. The Mid-Morning Show. Have a blessed day.
Hello, Ghana. This is your girl for Scalina, and I'm tuning to Kwabna Kwesti.
Right, so we chat up 23 into 11 93.3 FM. Your family coming across the Abusia and then Monday Juada. I want to say, and I see people sharing their horrors on social media based on what happened Saturday. Okay, with day. And Yawagana Hanan Kofobre, I mean, a lot of people are complaining. But do you know people actually paid is it $80,000 or $8,000? Okay, so $8,000 for a show. So on Saturday, people paid $8,000 for Risky live concerts at Accra Sports Stadium, and Risky never showed up. People got money, Jale Sikawo Kroma. Messi Sikawo Kroma. So on Saturday, and Kofo Sikaye Beans. Saturday in Kofosi Kaye Beans. Aye. So Risky didn't show up for a show he was built to perform. So yesterday, after church, I went on social media to find out what was really happening, and I realized people were sharing their displeasure. And I was asking myself, hey, so there was this guy who was always from my neck asking me for money. And this guy, this is the same person, the amount of money he's asking from me, I tell him, bro, I'm not going to give you. Look elsewhere. And this guy posted the tickets of a show yesterday. A ticket of Risky show yesterday. And saying the organizers has ordered them to send their ticket back home to their email address so their monies will be refunded. And I was like, yo, bro, actually the same person who told me and you had this huge amount of money to go and purchase a Risky ticket. Where the guy to the account? Now Risky says he loves Ghana. He loves Ghana. Yeah. He cherishes Ghana. You see, Risky is more like a Ghanaian artist because most of the times he's based here in Ghana. And I saw this on Twitter yesterday. He says Ghana is a country I hold so dear to my heart. First and foremost, I want to apologize to all my fans. You all know I would never do anything without a serious reasoning behind it. My brand is something I don't joke with. I sincerely apologize to everyone who made the effort to come out for me last night. I was shut up, looking forward to doing this show. However, please understand that every decision I made coincided with one of my fans and would only make a drastic decision like this because it was the right thing to do, and I had to, unfortunately, up until the day of this show. See, so the what I'm reading is from Risky, and he posted this yesterday on Twitter. Listen, me my worries. What can be so word be? But hey, Risky, in as much as we born, if you could, me I wasn't there, man. Kobe, I was here in order. In fact, I was hosting Showbiz 360, and in the evening I went to sleep. So this thing happened in the evening. So this morning, yesterday morning, I had a conversation with one TV presenter, a female TV presenter who went. In fact, she went on 1-4 tickets. And she was like, I buy this ticket and they will go bash me. Hey, Emma. Alright, so this lady, alright, so she's quite funny sometimes. She says, so she went there around 8 p.m. 8 p.m. So she sat from 8 p.m. to 11 p.m. and there was no sign of Risky. And they brought low budget Asake. But see, I'm worried for those that went. Make them can't tell you say they don't get money. They go here from us. But anyway, you guys had fun though, because I heard the Asaka boys came to perform. I heard Jackie came to perform. I heard Kevin Boy came to perform. Come on, you guys had fun. So if Risky didn't come on, come on. You guys shouldn't be complaining. Say, blah, 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 blah. You had fun. You paid money to watch Jackie. You paid money to watch Asaka Boys. You paid money to watch Kevin Boy. So what are you complaining about? Why are you complaining? Didn't you have fun? Didn't you have fun? You did. So why are you complaining? Seba, Eva, Sebo, baby. Hey. Now, despite the Kwame Jr. says, keep up the good work, bro. This Vapor. Greetings to my big sis, Kate Okran and Vida Marfo inside of the market. Vapor. Bro, what's up? Now, since your Ghanaians are annoyed, they are really annoyed. See, risk it aside, if I risk it as someone don't change. But what is Kim Promise trying to do? What at all? What on earth is Kim Promise trying to do? I mean, is he trying to tell us, okay, so I was also there and I couldn't perform, so I'm sorry. Kim Promise, we don't care about you, my friend. Get away. You see, when you read the Risky apology letter and you compare to Kim Promise one, what's the difference in being? No, Kim Promise, are we complaining you didn't show up? No, we are not. No, make Ahenkan. In fact, people that went are not complaining that you can promise one, but they are complaining is a risk. But my friend, take your apology somewhere. Take your apology somewhere. What is this? But anyways, let's hope for a better day. As Risket has promised a free show. No, he didn't say a free show. He has promised a show. He didn't promise a free show. He just promised a show for his fans here in Ghana. And when I saw the thing, I was like, okay, Risket must make sure that his show would be a free show. Because you can't make people go and sit at Accra Sports Studio from 8 p.m. to 4 a.m. Wamba. That's also my show there. Hey, it should rather be a free show, Risket. It should rather be a free show. And yes, Sadia. Right, anyway, I'm not trying to water. You won't show your cassette. You won't show your minimum. I'm not trying to water. You're purified. And also it has everything good for the human system. It contains potassium, calcium, magnesium, in fact, nutrients are what do a money per body flourishing, money per body, no money per body. Jidan and Asu, and one and natural mineral water nutrients that would do she be a come upon. Packaging is your needs. Who's your pandemic as a hospital a room. Packaging a nice pan. If I call a Ghana commercial bank, I watch him opposite on my car park one and I'm who unnatural mineral water depot na what pay so be a talk with chef fridge mo pebi talk 7 engagement na say 0249-680-213 and 0500-231-091 unnatural mineral water ye natural faminchia awusia na kachara nkofo say against ni bewu Awusa kacha adom nana kwasida kwase mesi against ni bewu. And you will cry. In fact, Awusa odia. Show your love. Chrawda. Sadi be ya na me ma me dwala ya awa. O se na so de be no no anyu munim to be obi se to bi. E me da me ya dai. E hia wa be yi mi free ana batna. Adia shit the fans and no my end there. Now, now, young and I won't come as me. But do what terms as here about me as a checking on from a hog. I'm from a hog. EPM Media College. EPM Media College. Mapacho Sawo Pesa we are Centroni. Mo Pesa we are professional. Media personality there. EPM Media College. I work in Koko Hotel Junction. But over the past 7 years, professional and credible and also serious media personalities. Ghana honey baby at EPM Media College. You meet highly respected media personalities from all the media houses in Co and beyond to take you through proper training. Bra, na by 6 months training. Their courses be to say radio and TV courses, newscasting and reporting, program hosting, sports presentation and commentary, radio production, communication skills, TV show presentation, TV commercial production, professional video editing, na pick forms ni bi. In fact, oko in Koko Hotel Junction or na be school no pick forms no na so koye me central ni papa o se o ko echire dia bra ye be award professional diploma in communications and media studies for 0241 393534 0241 393534 Amaje Aba Clinic Jumanezi Yarebia Tete Ojo Sawamba ho bantama agrobedi sawamba ho bantama asambato yare de in fact etwiniti sana manipaya boko manipaya suro eti kwama jesisi a our SDA Junction Evergreen Gas Filling Station chanwa be Mr. Tamakro wono Mr. Tamakro afimi de jawa chenya wotre next week eba shase enti no amaje sebra or modern scan machine laboratory service physiotherapy quantum detector ekoso papa pan we asoye afoi so no typhoid or syphilis ye to ase gonorrhea diabetes menstrual problem ningna ye to ase wa maje ba clinic jobra sikaka krebi ni asaw yare mepa cho wunua bi wodofo bi wankasa ena yare na kan wato fama amaje zen yare de yampe enti brani to ase 0244 877-840 0205-045-665. Amaje Ba Clinic na Wajare Safia. In the meantime, Light Formal Limited. Woman we are so importers of Family Bless syrup and NBF gingival gel. Family Bless syrup no your number one fertility enhancer for women of all class. It is every woman's best friend. Or Babia Adam Funi or Basimabia Wadanfo. Oh, so see a show love. Opa say you piania the idea Antanasiano. Not say any Family Bless say pase obe master date. Till why did you pass? So yesterday I was having okay, I said let me say this before I go on. It's not video video come off so that now me know some comfortable. I mean they were listening to our conversation. So I was telling this person Wednesday watching I will master date. Listen, I was telling him say I will master date on Wednesday. And I let the people share when he was really no see Charlie make a call you back again. Asana me can obi anti ase mama change the way. So there's a difference between masturbate and masturbate. I beg take notes. There's a huge difference between masturbate and masturbate. I said masturbate. I didn't say masturbate. So I've seen a lot of girls masturbating these days. And you ask them why, they'll tell you just because we don't have anyone to go on a date with us. That is what they'll tell you. See, it is not our fault not to go on a date with you. But sometimes, a little further, a little push would let us know what exactly it's your problem. And however, we wouldn't want to spend money on such problems until you cure yourself, or else you will always masturbate. I think some matras here. And I still am matras here. What am I told you? Me am matras here. Me am matras here. Someone like Obno for it. You see, Cosco Papa was there be. See there be. Come now for you go to good school or go to good school. You say no. Now I am saying master date. You are looking at me like a scarecrow. Now Family Bless syrup. Obabi out here some menstrual disorders, infertility, and our way Sabio. I want one diamawa. Family Bless syrup. Mount San Kabiano pay. And I want to be 80 Macosu upon the mount. no need for you to worry. Say, I want your ding, menstrual problem. No, in fact, a ginseng, wakoya family planning. I must say, can't get bini idea, no matter what you to us here. A simple, a family bless syrup, and Babuana with the to us here. Now, one master on the gingival gel, Eddie Abba, and BF gingival gel, me patro 10 years, a boama, a kill halitosis. It was here, kaka. After so bleeding gum, thinking I to us here. Compare with pharmacy, man was a say, Oka was so open a man in a down for a man in a party, a man in a secrets, and one and the family bless syrup, and our face Sabio, and can't cancel secrets, and one and a NBF ginger voucher from 24 that was 0542 929628 now 0244 661941 0542 929628 now 0544 sorry 0244 661941 now try and two must say hey. Now, so simple put, master dating means going on a date alone. Come now for you go to good school, you say come early. Go to good school, you say no. I said da. Go good school, I say da. Yeah, come master day to show you him to say na on TV there. So going on a date alone, see, a lot of people go on a date alone. So me, I do this a lot. I go, get yourself some soda or some Fanta. Now drinking at the now sip here. Woman hold some time, be like 4 or 5 hours, not be free. Just on corner, I'll call date though. That is what we call master date. In case you just don't know. Right, so let's do this song. My favorite from Papa Jansen, Show Your Love. And this song is dedicated to Owusua. On the grandma. But grandma often sat 2 minutes. They are getting Owusua on Confasa.
Me, I walk to my sea, I mean, you cream my son, and Pam 170. Maria Bessie, you know, Nama Wareno. Our women, your Makotombo, on phone, be Ribiarampo. Nasu many boy would appear, Namakumetrano. Me there, oh, you ma come on, oh, I wouldn't have been one. Now, so don't see me. And she ain't fair, no friend. Tamara, now I won't feel one friend, me. I reckon you feel your pound into dominant do, dear. And so the one of Chiramo. I tell you, say me fit a crowd me, I walk through my him cream my son. Our way. Maria Bessie, you know, Nama Wareno. Make you see, baby, me show pure to the Owaram Poda. Inti sweet teacher would do. Namenya
Have a blessed day.
and let him more besi. Owarana menu bako. Inti sugar trewudo. Mayamfa odom. No frenta. Tamara na wa wonfio wa frefre mi. I reckon you feel your pound into dom na mundo bie. Inside down na ko bushira mo. Awa wo benye ni ja. No fruit e obia ya manu. So very my benye ni ja. No fear oba sma like you. You know that. Yeah, crazy.
Last month, school phobia. They got engaged. I was Zambia. Obane Boyama, they got engaged. Now this year they got married. As I speak to you now, and our renegu. And see, I'm not divorcing less than a month. Our renegu, and they see, the question is this something we should know about marriage? Is this something? Bibi I was here, Juana. Lately, people are saying marriage has come. Is this something we should know? I mean, people are also saying, say, our real papa, our real blessing, our real, and the mommy, yes, say, our real mommy, yes, say. Now, funny question now. Lady Binsu Busa and there. So she has been seeing this guy for 4 years. A man chimpana 4 years in here. Now, almost second year into our friendship or relationship, you know. And a guy in our real samutun and him. But I catch a guy so now would trek a crown for Mano. See, some year, I'm dating 4 years, but I'm dating 2 years, no. And a guy there were some tune and him. And not saying I would trek a crana and share you the study a hunkakra. Now it's been 4 years. Girl, no, shut down, Phyllis, and farmer boy. Though they were dating or they've dated for 4 years, but then she was seeing other people. And I said, sorry, she was seeing other guy. I can't way home. Now, she said, why are you confused? She's in a state of dilemma and she wants us to help her. Now, this is what she asking. Or see, just recently, guy no a show visa. Watch that no, and the visa enche or to Kwanko UK ako Adwuma. And this is no, I say I find away who said or the boy the pa. I find away who's on the boy the pa. Now, why does it say on train on comrades our worry? Why does that try me? Because this 7 years. And the train I mean cost spend 7 years in Vienna, member na member worry. Let it say Debbie. Yenya say ya, yenya sawako. Jale wo hian yamboa. O hian yamboa pa sabo wan ka ba ye dey. Ka kire Mrs. Ya ne kan kire na odie. Wan ka ba ye dey. Debbie wo see guy no time o dia aware no to lady nim. Lady ni say on train kakra. Now lady ni so guy no so nya na visa me bibia ready or call UK koye Adwuma for 7 years. Or see girl no twɛn. No cost spend 7 years no mbra. No be worry no. Lady ni said da yansa wako. When are you guy na ka be dey?
No me guy now. Mento medical to nim now or yes no no pe boy na da.
Ti wan ka be dey over dey. Over kwa ba so be. Okay. I'm fat 2 or 3 course pe na yan hwa dey. 0554820910. Yantanya we on Monday. What's your for 2 calls pay 0554820910 and now 20194445. At the point, but check is a Adwuma young fat bed 2 calls and not 3 calls. Be now you say we are Burma and I way at all. What the hour there to any mono catch or say about transa? I was a train, kakra. Na I shall ye be. After we be ready Naze Uber to Koya or see Yan San Wako, 1 car by then your frost or cassa free. Atiato 0554820910. Your frost or cassa free. Maybe I toss away. Not. Hey, brother Nash. Maybe I drop home to say. Nako pando me hoya pa. Maybe I drop with you. If you want to buy answer what corner so over right, what's it? You have to come. Your father give you proper radio share. One cow by Yazana, the overcover. But the 2 when you know, say, oh, train, I'm sharing you also cranza. Your first orcas are free. Abigail, what they walk your by dear, Mammy Tiopa, 1 cow by oh, Mako. Abigail, wild cabako.
Mako, I saw me catch a one for what Germany.
Just is here, Susuna, Oko, Obia, Oko, no, could be with her. Yen prequence of way.
My friend, in idea.
So here you be. That's it. I was in here. If you are calling what can you do honor 1 kind bill? Yes, sir, be yapa. Your frost cell cast free. Atiatum, shall what yatum. Okay, you're 34 years of it. But come here, 2 years, and I'm the 2 of them say, Mamma, you want your precona by a Mary. 1 year, now 4 years in here. Nakopon don't be ready, me to come, me co bruni crew, me co Jumaba, 7 years and Sameba, 7 years and so Yamian by, offer was me now, the answer, my call, me patch 1 car by a day, your frost work as a free. Yes, dear.
But I'm catching a friend
Kunedu, Mammy Tio Kunedu.
But your may imagine me, dear, and Cabaman and 1 young son.
1 young son. Oh, Kunedu Mati, that's why. Kunedu send can I dream with the air, 1 young son wako. Engineer say, show your love, Treodo. Baby, I thought I was all you be using for Otrodo. Obey Jano Hano Wako 7 years no aba. And answer over Cheng 7 years for Koba no abe. At the point 1 car a day. This is opportunities about opposite. Okay. This is opportunities about the air. But yes, hello, big boss. Good morning. Your first work as a friend.
Good morning.
I don't want to. We about to meet you here last call. Come down. No, don't. All right, that's it. That's a pan. Where's the not here? What's it? What's it? On Combra. Or Banat lady need that's what they are. Not just it. This generation, 7 years, you go count there, she's still there. What's 7 years, you're caught. You're coffee. Yeah, the other day to the sea. Pokwa on Ioba. There be over Castle on Yansa. A man, they're more drinking back. Your friend Jenny me champion boy the cast boss friend Bruce Money coming across the brand for the perfect gentleman. Let me find you can see a point come on DJ Shabo and come on Mr. Charles. Nana Atopahe the first speedy recovery and command Kobe K. Becoming Chroma Yabama Sambrane, a football talk about Numo Chabe, when I'm a Bama Jame, Igru Abuji Todi. One door, my crowd. Bye bye.